भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यंकरवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। नमस्कारः, स्वागतम्। श्रीनिवास महोदय अद्यतन वर्ग संख्यां वदतु।
एकोनपञ्चाशदुत्तरशततमः वर्गः।
एकोनचत्वारिंशत् उत्तर श्रीनिवास 50 न एकोनचत्वारिंशदुत्तर एकोनपञ्चाशत् क्षम्यतां क्षम्यतां मयापि भ्रमः कृतः। 51 सम्यक् उक्तम्।
Thank you.
We are not used to tell the numbers so frequently in Sanskrit, that is why sometimes it happens. 51 वर्गः। स्वागतं पुनरेकवारम्। अयं सप्ताहः मन्ये अस्य वर्षस्य विकराल क्रूर वर्षस्य 20-विंशति वर्षस्य यस्मिन् वर्षे समस्तं जगत् तत्र पीडितमस्ति। समस्तं जगत् पीडितमस्ति। ईश्वर एव जानाति आगामी आंग्लवर्षः आंग्लवत्सरः कीदृशः भविष्यति इति। आशासे नूतनवर्षः नूतनसंवत्सरः शोभानमायः मानः भविष्यति इति वयम् आशां प्रकटयामः। तत्पूर्वम् अत्र उपान्तः अस्य मासस्य अयं वर्गः उपान्तवर्गः। Last but one class of this month and also of this year.
Yeah.
अस्य वर्षस्यापि अयम् उपान्तवर्गः। First story, end of the first story today, wherein the snake and the frog king, that is Manduka Raja Gangadatta, how Gangadatta wanted to take revenge on his own people. As a result, because of his foolishness, he gets all his people killed, including his own son, Yamunadatta. When Yamunadatta is killed, Gangadatta feels very sad. We have seen he cries like anything, and then he is chided, he is scolded by his own wife, and later on the entire family is eaten away by the snake. Here we are, Srinivas, after the 31 poem. Kim Krandasi. Now this is the poem of accusation of Gangadatta's wife. Kim Krandasi Durakranda Swapaksha Kshayakaraka Swapakshasya Kshaye Jate Ko Naha Trata Bhavishyati, etc. So who will protect us when our own Paksha, our own family is destroyed? You are the root cause for the destruction of our family. That is what the wife said. And here we go.
यद् अद्यापि विचिन्त्याताम् आत्मनः निष्क्रमणम् अस्य वधोपायं च. I'll pause here, sir. This one line.
Yad, so after abusing the Gangadatta, his wife, Yad, that Adyapi, even today also there is time to escape. You know, there is always some time left to save our skin. Tad, Yad, Adyapi, even today, Vichintyatam, let it be thought over. Atmanaha Nishkramanam, our exit from this. Nishkramanam is exit, getting away, escape from this situation. Our Atmanaha Nishkramanam, Palayanam, Asya Vadha Upayam cha, Asya Sarpasya, Priyadarshana Namakasya, Sarpasya Vadhopayam cha Vichintyatam. And also let the way to kill this serpent also thought over. Let us think over, at least now, today, we should think about our safety and also how to kill this snake. Atha.
Yeah. अथ गच्छता कालेन सकलमपि कवलितं मण्डूककुलं केवलम् एकः गङ्गदत्तः तिष्ठति. ततः प्रियदर्शने भणितम्. भो गंगादत्त बुभुक्षितः अहं निःशेषिताः सर्वे मण्डूकाः तद् दीयतां मे किञ्चित् भोजनं यतः अहं त्वया अत्र आनीतः स आह भो मित्र न त्वया अत्र विषये मयि अवस्थिते कापि चिन्ता कार्या तद् यदि मां प्रेषयसि ततः अन्यकूपस्थानपि मण्डूकान् विश्वास्य अत्र आनयामि.
Now, a very critical situation indeed. Atha, then gachata kalena, kalakramena gachata kalena, as the time passed off, sakalamapi kavalitam, grasitam, nashitam, the entire Manduka kulam, Mandukasya, Priyadara, Gangadattasya kulam, Sakalamapi kulam, Kavalitam, Grasitam, Nashitam, the entire family of Gangadatta was finished as time went by. Gachata Kalena. Kevalam only Ekaha Gangadatta Tishtati. Only one Gangadatta remained. Tataha, thereafter Priyadarshanena, the serpent, Sarpena Priyadarshanena Bhanitam Uktam Katitam. Then the snake said again, Bho Gangadatta, O Gangadatta, Bhubukshitaha aham. See the hunger of this terminator. Bhubukshitaha aham, I am hungry. Niseshitaha sarve mandukaha. All the frogs have been eaten up. There is no frog left now. Niseshitaha. Seshitaha na niseshitaha sarve manduka. All the frogs have been eaten. There is no frog left out. Tat so diyatam me kinchit bhojanam. Again this snake insisting on providing him the food. Diyatam kinchit bhojanam. Give me some food. Yataha, because now how the snake is cornering and putting the Gangadatta in fix, because aham tvaya atra anita, again repeating the same thing. Aham tvaya atra anita, I am brought here by you. I did not come on my own. See, had the snake come on its own, that would have been a different thing. When you invite somebody and that somebody who you thought in the beginning is a guest, but later turns out to be your enemy of course here. So I have been brought by you only. Tvaya atra anitaha. Then the Gangadatta said, Bhomitra, O my friend, na tvaya atra vishaye. Mai avasthite, mai sthite, mai avasthite sati. Sati saptami prayoga senvali. Bhomitra, na tvaya atra vishaye asmin vishaye, bhojana vishaye, mai avasthite, mai sthite sati. Kapi chinta karya na karya. Kapi chinta na karya. So you don't worry, my friend, when I am alive there. What am I going to do? Gangadatta said, Tad, so yadimam preshayasi. Very intelligently the Gangadatta speaks here and escapes from the situation. Like in the previous story, Prastavika Katha, how the monkey fooling the crocodile, asking the crocodile to return back to the vriksha tree where it has deposited its heart, like that. Saha bhomitra na tvaya atra vishaye chintana karya. Tad yadi mam preshayasi, if you send me, tataha, then anya kupasthan, anya kupeshu stithan, anya kupastithan, mandukan, vishwasya. So if you let me go, I'll go to other wells and I will take into confidence. I will make them believe. I'll make other frogs believe me. Mandukan vishwasya, having made them believe, anayami, I will bring them. I'll bring many more mandukas from other wells, making them believe in my words. But if you let me go, yadi mam preshayasi, if you let me go, then Priyadarshana, Srinivas.
Yes, sir.
Saha.
I read up to the end of this paragraph.
You have read, huh?
Saha bhumitra na tvaya atra vishaye mai avasthite.
No, that is over. I have explained. Huh?
सः मम तावत्
त्वम्
त्वं
अभक्ष्यो.
त्वम् अभक्ष्यो भ्रातृस्थाने तद् यद्येव करोषि तत् साम्प्रतं पितृस्थाने भवसि तदेवं क्रियताम् इति।
So Gangadatta asked for permission to leave, and then snake Priyadarshana says, Mama tavat tvam abhakshya. In the first place, you are not to be eaten by me. Mama tavat tvam abhakshya. Kasmat karanat bhratrusthane. Because I have accepted you as my bhrata. Bhratrusthane. You are there in the position of my brother. Tad, so, yadi evam karoshi, if you do so, as you have said just now, that you will go to other wells and make the Mandukas believe you and bring them, tat sampratam pitrusthane bhavasi. If you do so, as you have said, then you will be like my father. You will be in the position of my father. From brotherly relation, you will be promoted to the fatherly relation, father's position. Pitrusthane bhavasi. Tad. So, evam kriyatam. Okay, let it be done. Now, the foolish snake at this point thought that Gangadatta is very sincere, and he is thinking of getting him more food in the form of mandukas. So he said, okay, I trust you, go away.
सोऽपि तदाकर्ण्य अरघट्ट घटिकाम् आश्रित्य विविध देवता उपकल्पित पूज उपयाचितः तस्मात् कूपात् विनिष्क्रान्तः प्रियदर्शनः अपि तदागमनकाङ्क्षया तत्रस्थः प्रतीक्षमाणः तिष्ठति.
Sopi, saha api here. Saha api means Gangadatta api. Tad akarnya, having listened to the words of this Priyadarshana snake, Araghatta Ghatikam Ashritya, once again, the frog taking the help of that wheel of the machine, fitted with the jars, water jars, Araghatta Ghatikam Ashritya, taking with the help of that buckets or jars, fitted to the wheel of wheel for raising the water. Vividha Devata Upakalpita Puja Upayachitaha. Pujopayachitaha. Then the Gangadatta got out of the well, and then it started pledging, taking pledge for various offerings and worships. Vividha Devata Upakalpita, offerings, Upakalpita Puja. So the Gangadatta in himself was praying to all gods that I will give you. Like, this is a common thing. When we are in trouble, then we have what is called in Telugu Mokkulu. Apada Mokkula Vada, as we say, Tirumala Deva. Yes. So we pledge to the God, if I get out of this situation, I will be giving you this. People, because that is also true. See, Artho, Artharthi, the very first bhakta is Artha to the God, troubling person. So, Pujopayachita, Upayachitaha. So, I will be arranging, giving a pledge, taking a vow to give various offerings and worship to the God in the way. Pujopayachitaha, Tasmat Kupat Vinishkrantaha. So, when men are in trouble, I am reminded of Srinivas, when Apollo 11, I think, Apollo 11 was the mission to reach the moon. You may be knowing, maybe you are young that time. When Apollo mission was launched by NASA, the pilots were, the mission was in trouble. There was some technical snag, what they say. And, what came in the highlighted news in those days, the entire community of scientists, all those scientists who were involved with the mission, Apollo mission, they kneeled down and started praying. They all started praying that let the that spaceship may be wasted, but our people should be returning safely. No, why I am quoting this? Even the hardcore scientist is also a human being.
Yeah. Even doctors also.
Yeah,
they'll tell us
yeah. When doctors also,
actually,
when something, when they think that they cannot cure or do the operation, they begin to believe God. At that point where human brain fails, human intelligence fails, then they bow down to the super intelligence. They all break down. So this is natural. Why I am particularly referring to this incident. It is not only the common men, even the most learned, intelligent men also, when they are in trouble, they think of some superior power that is there, God. So thinking like this, Kupat Vinishkanta, it got out of the Kupa. Well, Priyadarshanopi and this stupid snake Priyadarshana, Tad Agamana Kankshaya, Ichaya, Kanksha. So this snake started looking to the return of the Gangadatta. Tad Tasya Gangadasya Agamana Kankshaya, Agamana Ichaya, Tatrastaha, Tatra Kupastaha, Pratikshamana, waiting. Tishtati. It started waiting in the well in the hope that Gangadatta would come with more frogs and he'll be eating many frogs. Yes.
अथ चिरात् अनागते गङ्गदत्ते प्रियदर्शनः अन्यकोटरनिवासिनीं गोधाम् उवाच हे भद्रे क्रियतां स्तोकं साहाय्यम् यतः चिरपरिचितः ते गङ्गदत्तः तत् गत्वा तत् सकाशं कुत्रचित् जलाशये अन्विष्य मम सन्देशं कथय येन येन आगम्यताम् एकाकिनापि भवता द्रुततरं यदि अन्ये मण्डूकान् न आगच्छन्ति.
This is very lengthy. You can stop here. Full stop has come here.
Yeah.
Atha, then what happened? Tadanim, tataha, atha. Then Chirad Anagate Gangadatte Sati. Chirat Chirakala Paryantam. Anagatena, Agatena, Anagate Gangadatte Sati. When Gangadatta did not come for a long time, the snake was waiting there only. Priyadarshana, the snake, Anya Kotara Nivasini. Anya Kotare Nivasini, Anya Kotara Nivasini. Living in some other hole. Kotara is hole. Godham, lizard. Godha is lizard. So, a lizard which was living in some other hole, Uvacha, told that, Bhadre, oh good lady, Kriyatam, Godha is a female lizard here, Kriyatam stokam sahayam, stokam kinchit, stokam nama kinchit, lagu sahayam. Please, oh madam, please do me a little favor, sahayam, help. Yataha, because Chiraparicitaha te Gangadatta, because Gangadatta is very well known to you since a long time. Chiraparicitaha is known to you very well for a long time. Yena Agamyatam Ekakina api. Oh, sorry, Gangadatta. Tad Gatva, sorry, I missed it. Tad Gatva, so going, having gone, tas Sakasham, Gangadatta Sakasham Samipam. So after going near to Gangadatta, Sakasham Samipam, Kutrachit Jalashaye Anvishya, go and search in some Jalashay, in some water body. Kutrachit somewhere, Jalashaye Anvishya, having searched for him in some Jalashaya, Mama Sandesham Kathaya, you tell him my message. What is the message? This is the message. Yena, so that the message is Agamyatam Ekakina api, you come alone also, doesn't matter. Agamyatam Ekakina api bhavata, you may please come over all alone by yourself. Drutataram, very fast. Shigrataram, Drutaram, Shigrataram. Yad Anye Mandukaha na agachanti. If the other Manduka, other frogs are not accompanying you, coming with you, doesn't matter, you come along. The wicked snake wanted to finish even Gangadatta also. The real intention in inviting Gangadatta is to eat him, in case other frogs are not available. So, yadi anye mandukaha na agachanti, if other mandukas are not coming, frogs are not coming, you please come over. Yes. Aham, now you read.
अहं त्वया विना न अत्र वस्तुं शक्नोमि.
Blatant lie here.
तथा यदि अहं तव विरुद्धम् आचरामि तत् सुकृतम् अन्तरे मया विधृतम्.
And on top of that, the snake is saying that, giving a kind of promise, Aham tvaya vina na atra vastum shaknomi. I am not able to live without you, as if there is so much love for Gangadatta. Aham tvaya vina na atra vastum nivastum shaknomi. Tatha yadi aham, so yadi aham tava viruddham acharami. And if you think that I am going to act against you, viruddham, opposite to you, tat sukrutam antare maya vidutam. I keep my sukrutam. I promise, literally, I promise my sukrutam, my goodness as a kind of pledge, Srinivas, a kind of what you call safeguard. Tat sukrutam antare means between you and me. Maya vidyutam. Now I am keeping my goodness, my sukruta, my punya in between you and me. My punya will be lost. If I do any harm to you, all my punya will be finished.
गोधा अपि तद् वचनात् गङ्गदत्तं द्रुततरम् अन्विष्य आह. हे भद्र गङ्गदत्त, स तव सुहृत् प्रियदर्शनः तव मार्गं समीक्षमाणः तिष्ठति. तत् शीघ्रम् आगम्यताम् इति. अपरञ्च तेन तव विरुद्धकरणे जन्म सुकृतमन्तरे धृतम्. तत् निश्शङ्केन मनसा समागम्यताम्. तदाकर्ण्य गङ्गदत्त आह.
So Godhapi, this is innocent lizard. Godhapi tad vachanad, from the word of that snake, Gangadattam Drutataram Anvishya. It went and very fast located, searched for the Gangadatta. Gangadattam Drutatar Shigrataram Anvishya Aha, and said, found him very fast and said, Bhadra friend Gangadatta, oh my friend Gangadatta, Satava Sokurud. This animal doesn't know, creature doesn't know that he is thinking, she is thinking snake is his friend. Satava Suhrud, Priyadarshana, that your friend Priyadarshana, Tava Margam Samikshamana, he is watching your way, and Tishtati is way, is looking for you. Tat so Sigramagamyatamidi, please come fast. Aparamcha, one more thing also, Tena Tava Viruddha Karane, in opposing you, against you, Viruddha Karane, Sukrutam Antare Drutam, the same dialogue, what is said above lines. So he has what he called put in between you his religious merit, Sukrutam, between you. So he takes a promise on his Sukruta that he won't harm you. Tat tan nishankena, so nishankena, nisandehena, manasa, with a mind without doubt, with undoubted mind, samagamyatam, please come over. Tadakarnya, listening to these words of the Goda, the lizard, Gangadatta said this word.
बुभुक्षितः किं न करोति पापं क्षीणा नरा निष्करुणा भवन्ति. आख्याहि भद्रे प्रियदर्शनस्य न गङ्गदत्तः पुनरेति कूपम्.
So this was the opening poem also, when the story started. Bhukshitaha kim na karoti, we have already explained. What sin does not a hungry man commit? Several cinemas are there, I told you. Kshina, vittena kshina naraha nishkarunaha bhavanti. People who have lost their money in business, in gambling, in otherwise, etc. They become very cruel. Nishkarunaha bhavanti. Akhyahi Bhadre, oh my good lady, go and tell that Priyadarsanasya to Priyadarshana, snake na Gangadattaha punaha eti kupam. Gangadattaha Mandukarajaha punaha kupam na eti na agachati. He will not come back to the kupa once more. Evam uktva.
एवम् उक्त्वा स तां विसर्जयामास तद् भो दुष्टजलचर अहमपि गङ्गदत्त इव त्वद्गृहे न कथञ्चिदपि यास्यामि.
So evam uktva, having said like this, Gangadatta tam godham. Tam here is a pronoun for godha, the female lizard. Godham visarjaya, dismissed the lizard, saying like this. Go and tell that Priyadarshana that Gangadattaha kupam punamna eti na agacchati iti. Tad, so, bhoho, dusta jalachar. Now the main character in this Labdha Pranasha, namely the monkey, Srinivas, Vanaraha. Tad bho dusta jalachara. Now the monkey is accusing the Makara. Dusta jalachara, you wicked water aquatic animal, jalachara. Ahamapi Gangadatta iva. I also, like Gangadatta, Tvad gruhena katam chedapi yasyami agamishyami. I will also not come. I will not come to your home like Gangadatta never returned to the Kupa. Yes.
तत्
Tachrutva.
श्रुत्वा मकर आह भो मित्र नैतद् युज्यते सर्वथा एव मे कृतघ्नता दोषम् अपनय मद्गृह आगमनेन अथवा अत्र अहम् अनशनात् प्राणत्यागं तवोपरि करिष्यामि.
Now, this is a kind of, what do you call, threat. I find a similar threat given by the farmers of the present day also. We will go on, and even though the laws are meant for them, good laws are made. This is what happens, This is all politics. Tat Shrutva, listening to that, Makara said, the crocodile said, Bho Mitra, oh my. Still it is calling him a Mitra only, Makara. My friend, Naitad Yujjate. This is not proper. Sarvatha eva, by all means, may Krutagnata dosham apanaya. Please remove my ingratitude. I tried to do harm to you. He is realizing now. Sarvata, by all means, eva me Krutagnata dosham apanaya. You remove the blame of ingratitude by coming over to Madgruha agamanena. Madgruha agamanena. By coming over to my home, you please remove this blame of ingratitude. Athava, otherwise, what am I going to do? Atra aham, here only, anashanat, by taking to fast, fasted to death. Nirahara diksha, what we call. Anashanam is, it is there from times immemorial. Athava, atra aham, anashanat pranatyagam tavo parikarisha. And I will die for you only. I will take fasted to death and die for you. Tavopari karishyami.
वानराः हे मूढ किमहं लम्भकर्णः मूर्खः यद् दुष्टापायोऽपि स्वयमेव तत्र गत्वा आत्मानं व्यापादयामि.
Then Vanara says, Hey Moda, you foolish Makara, Kimaham Lambakarno Murkaha. Am I another story which is now introduced here, where the character is Lambakarna. Lambakarna, long-eared. Am I long-eared Lambakarna? Am I a fool like Lambakarna? Yad that Drushta Apayaha api, even after seeing the danger. Drushtapayaha api swayameva tatra gatva, having seen the danger already coming to him, and again going there tatra gatva, atmanam vyapadayami, and I'll kill myself. What do you think? Am I a foolish Lambakarna in the story that is ensuing? That having seen the danger, I go there and get myself killed? No, 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 I won't come, go away.
आगतश्च गतश्चैव दृष्ट्वा सिंहपराक्रमम् अकर्णहृदयो मूर्खो यो गत्वा पुनरागतः. मकराः हे भद्र स को लम्बकर्णः कथं दृष्टापायोऽपि मृतः तत् मे निवेद्यताम्. वानर आह.
So when the monkey referred to Lambakarna, and a poem is also there introducing the story, Agatascha came, Gataha cha eva, and also went left. Came and left. Društva, Shamatham. Društva simha parakramam. Having seen the valor of the lion, it came and also left. Akarna hridayaha murkaha, that foolish donkey, not having ears and heart. Yo gatva punaragataha, that foolish donkey without ears and heart, who went and again came only to be killed by the lion. Then Makara said, Bhadra, friend, Sako Lambakarna, who is this Lambakarna? Katham Drushta Apayaha api. How come, having seen the danger also, Mrutaha, he died? Tan me nivedyatam, please tell me the story. At least if you don't come my home, you tell me a story. Srinivas, even if you don't come my home, you tell me a story here. Next.
Yeah. Simha Lambakarna Katha. Kasminschit Vanodeshe Karala Kesaraha Nama Simhaha Prativasati Sma. Tasya cha Dhusarakaha Nama Sugalaha Sada Eva Anuyayi Paricharakaha Asti.
So here we let us do these two lines, Srinivas. Atra vayam dvitiyam katham prarabhamahe. We are starting the second story. Ekadasha kathasu yam dvitiya katha. This is the second story of the 11 stories. One is just done. Simha Lambakarna katha. The story of a lion and a donkey by name Lambakarna. Kasminchit Vanodeshe, as usual, in some region of a country. Karala Kesaraha Nama. Karala Kesara, dreadful. Karala means dreadful. Kesaraha means mane, English, M-A-N-E. So, lion has that mane. Karala Kesaraha Nama Simhaha Prativasati Sma. Lived there. Tasyacha, and this lion by name Karala Kesara had Dhusarakaha Nama Shrugalaha. A jackal by name Dhusarakaha. Dhusaraka means dusty. I think Professor has translated this as a dusty. Dhusaraka means dusty. Having the color of dust, So it is dusty. Dhusarakaha nama Shrugalaha Sadaeva, always. Anuyayi, follower. So a lion had a friend follower in donkey, always following. Sadaeva Anuyayi. Anuyayi Anucharaha. Not only Anuyayi, not only this donkey, Dhusaraka was a follower, Paricharakaha asti, and also he was a servant, also Sevakaha. He was a servant come follower. Generally, followers do all service only,
Yeah.
Followers do service, Parichara. Yes.
So Shugala is a donkey or
Jackal, sorry, jackal, not donkey. I know I am not coming out of that. Yeah.
अथ कदाचित् तस्य हस्तिना सह युध्यमानस्य शरीरे गुरुतराः प्रहाराः सञ्जाताः यः यद् एकमपि चलितुं न शक्नोति.
This Lambakarna donkey is there for a split second, it got confused. So this is a jackal, Shugala. Atha, then what happened? Kadachit one day, Tasya means Karala Kesara Namaka Simhasya Hastina Saha Yudhyamanasya. One day this lion, Karala Kesara, had a fight with Hasti, Gajena Saha. Hastin Shabda, Hasti, Hastinau, Hastina Trutiya, Gajena Saha. Yudhyamanasya, while fighting, Sharire Gurutaraha Praharaha. Heavy wounds, attack, wounds, heavy, you can say, Gurutaraha Praharaha, wounds, Sanjataha. So heavy wounds were, so heavily wounded. One day, this Karala Kesara had a fight with an elephant and it was heavily bruised or wounded. Yaha Karala Kesara Simha Padam ekam api, even one step, chalitum na shaknoti, was not able to move one step also.
तस्य Achalanaat, achalanaat cha,
Achalanat, achalanat.
yeah, achalanaat cha dhusarakah क्षुत् कामकण्ठः दौर्बल्यं गतः अन्यस्मिन् अहनितम् उवाच हे स्वामिन् बुभुक्षया पीडितोऽहम् पदात् पदमपि चलितुं न शक्नोमि तत् कथं ते शुश्रूषां करोमि.
So this is the situation now. Karala Kesara had a fight and heavily wounded. As a result, unable to ekamapi padam ekamapi na chalitum shaknoti sma. Tasya achalanat, tasya Karala Kesara simhasya achalanat. Due to that lion's non-movement, achalanat, dhusarakaha, this Shugalaha, this jackal, kshut kshama kantaha, it became very hungry and also thirsty. Daurbalyam gataha, it became weak. Durbalatam praptaha. Anyasmin nahani, one day, next day, tam Karala Kesram Simham avochat. Next day, one day or next day, the jackal said to the lion, Swamin, O my king, Bubukshaya pidita aham, I am troubled by hunger, I am highly hungry. Padat padamapi chalitum na shaknomi, I am unable to put one step ahead. I am not able to put a step ahead. Tat, so katham me susrusham, katham te susrusham karomi. How can I to katham te tava tubhyam susrusham sevam karomi. So how can I serve you? How can and when can a servant serve the master? Only when he is fed well. Is fed well. Now the Karala Kesara is unable to move because of fighting with the elephant. So how can I serve you, my lord? He said. Simha said,
सिंहाः भो गच्छ अन्वेषय किञ्चित् सत्वम् येन इमाम् अवस्थां गतोऽपि व्यापादयामि.
now this is the nature of the lion, Srinivas. Lion's nature is outlined here. Simha, lion said, Bho, it got gacha, go. Anveshaya, search kinchit sattvam kinchit jantum. Go and search some animal. Yena, so that yena imam avastam gataha api. Imam, this imam idam shabda. Imam avastam gataha api. Even though I am in this position, vyapadayami, I will kill. Marayami, I will kill. Even though I am in this condition, what is the avastha? Dina avastha. Vranitaha ayam simha. Tivratarena vranitaha ayam simha. Etasyam dashayam api aham vyapadayami. Okay, so go and find some animal, some I will come and kill. Even in this condition.
तदाकर्ण्य शृगालः अन्वेषयन् कञ्चित् समीपवर्तिनं ग्रामम् आसादितवान्. तत्र लम्बकर्णः नाम गर्दभः तडाग उपान्ते प्रविरल दूर्वाङ्कुरान्
कृच्छ्राद आस्वादयन्
दृष्टः.
Okay. Then the lion, the master gave a command, go and search for some animal. Even in this condition, I am ready to kill and give you food. You blame me like Tadakarnya, listening to these words of the lion, Shugalaha, the jackal, Anveshayan, started searching. Kam chit samipa vartinam, some very close by, Gramam asaditavan. While searching, it went over to some nearby village. Gramam asaditavan praptavan. Tatra tasmin grame Lambakarnaha nama Gardavaha. In that village, there was a donkey, Gardava, by name Lambakarnaha, long-eared. Where was it found? Tadagopanti, on the bank of a Tadaga, lake or pond. On the bank of a pond. Tadaga Upanti Samipi Pravirala Praviralat, Pravirala Durvankuran. Durva grass, Pravila means rare.
Oh,
Virala, you know the word Virala? Virala means rare. Pravirala means very rare.
okay.
Durva Ankuran, this very rare sprouts of Durva grass. Pravirala Durva Ankuran, Kruchrad, with very difficulty. It was eating rare Durva grass. Kruchrad Aswadayan, you can turn the page.
Yeah.
Aswa, that A comes from the previous word. Kruchrad Aswadayan Drustaha. Gardavaha Drustaha. That Lambakarnaha Nama Gardavaha Pravirala Durvankuran Aswadayan Khadan Drustaha. Kruchrad Kastena. It was very, with great difficulty, it accessed, it had the access to this rare grass there. It was found eating that grass.
ततः च समीपवर्तिना भूत्वा तेन अभिहितः हे माम नमस्करोऽयं मदीयः सम्भाव्यताम् चिराद् दृष्टः असि तत्कथय किमेवं दुर्बलतां गतः.
So no sooner the moment, I should not say no sooner, no, the moment this jackal, Dhusaraka, happened to see the Gardava, Lambakarna, eating that rare grass there, Tatascha Samipa Vartina Bhutva, means drawing himself very close to the donkey. Samipa Vartina Bhutva, going closer to the donkey. Tena Abhihitaha. Tena, this Dhusarakena Abhihitaha. He was addressed by this jackal, Mama. Now the jackal is addressing the donkey here. Look at the relation brought about. Mama, oh Mama, maternal uncle. Mama, Namaskaroyam Madiyaha Sambhavyatam Svikriyatam. Accept my Namaskara. Oh Mama, accept my, oh uncle, maternal uncle, please accept my Namaskara. Namaskaraha ayam Madiyaha Namaskaraha ayam Sambhavyatam Svikriyatam. Chirat Drustosi. See the way how the jackal is, clever jackal is befriending the donkey. Chirat Drustahasi. You are seen after a long time. Tat Kathaya, come on, tell me. Kim evam durbalatam gataha. Why are you so weak? What is the matter? You have become very weak, Mama. Tell me what is the reason.
Yeah. Saah भो भगिनी पुत्र किं कथयामि रजकः अतिनिर्दयः अतिभारेण मां पीडयति घासमुष्टिमपि न प्रयच्छति केवलं दूर्वाङ्कुरान् धूलिमिश्रितान् भक्षयामि तत् कुतः मे शरीरे पुष्टिः.
So poor animal, the donkey replied to the jackal, Saha Sa Lambakarnaha Gardavaha Bho Bhagini Putra. Since it is but natural, na, when the jackal calls him Mama, then the donkey should call him Bhagini Putra, my sister's son, nephew. Oh my nephew, Kim Katayami, Kim Badami, Kim Vadami. What shall I tell you? Rajakaha, donkey is associated with the washerman only. Rajakaha Atinirdayaha, a very cruel fellow, my master Rajaka. Atibharena mam pidayati, always troubles me by putting overload on me. And okay, he puts overload on me. Ghasa mustimapina prayachati, he doesn't give a handful of food also, grass also to eat. Ghasa mustimapina prayachati. Kevalam only Durva Ankuran, some sprouts of the Durva grass, Dhuli Mishritan, mixed with dust. And not only that, this sprouts of grass mixed with dust. Bhakshayami, I am eating. Tat, so, Kutaha me sharire pustihi. So, how can there be pustihi, nourishment in my body? You said Durbalatam Gata. Yes, I am weak. How can there be strength in my body if I eat only some sprouts My master doesn't give me anything. Then Shugala said,
शृगालाः हे माम यदि एवं तदस्ति मरकतसदृश षष्पप्रायः नदीसनातः रमणीयतरः प्रदेशः तत्र आगम्य मया सह सुभाषितगोष्ठी सुखम् अनुभवन् तिष्ठ लम्बकर्णाः भो भगिनीसुत युक्तमुक्तं भवता परं वयं ग्राम्याः पशवः अरण्यचारिणां वध्याः तत् किं तेन भव्यप्रदेशेन.
so the cunning Shugala here says, Mama, oh my mama, maternal uncle, yadi evam, if so, tadasti, there is Marakata Sadrusha Shashpa Prayaha Nadi Sanataha Ramaniyataraha Pradeshaha. There is a lovely place, Ramaniyataraha Pradeshaha, Sundaratara Pradeshaha Asti. And how is that region? Marakata Sadrusha Shashpa Prayaha, where Marakata means emerald, Srinivas. Marakata means emerald, green. Emerald is green color, right? Marakata Sadrusha, similar to the emerald. Shashpa, grass, Prayaha. The grass in that beautiful Ramaniya Pradesha is there, na? Tasmin Ramaniya Pradeshe, Kidrusha Grasaha Vartate Tatra, Shashpam Vartate. Ramani Marakata Sadrusha Shashpa Praya. It is a region where the grass is just like the green emerald, fresh like the emerald. That means fresh grass, Srinivas. The fresh grass gives the complexion of emerald. So Marakata Sadrusha Samana Shashpa Prayaha Nadi Sanata. Where is it? It is occupied by a river side. And this region is by the river side. So naturally the grass would be very lushy grass. Sanata means possessed of, furnished with. Sanata literally means having a nata. Nata, Sanata, having a husband, master. But here having associated with, furnished with lush green grass. That Nadi, it is on the bank of the river. Sanataha Ramaniyataraha Nadi Sanataha Nadya Sanataha Nadi Sanataha. Furnished with the nurtured by the river. Ramaniyataraha Pradesh. Any river bank will be very attractive, na, Srinivas?
Yeah.
Any river bank is very attractive, and when there is grass, it will be more like looking like emerald only. Tatra Agamya, having come there, Maya Saha, along with me, Subhashita Goshti Sukam Anubhavan, as usual. Subhashita Sukha, Goshti Sukam Anubhavan, enjoying the company with me, talking about all good literature. Tishta, you stay there. Why are you worried? Lamakarna said, Bho Bhagini Suta, O my son of my sister, or earlier Bhagini Putra, here Bhagini Suta, Yukta Muktam Bhavata. You have said correctly. What you have said is correct. Yuktam Uktam Bhavata. Satyam Uktam Bhavata. Param, but Vayam Gramya, we are village, we are what do you call Gramya means we belong rural people. We are villagers. Gramya, we are rural. Pashavaha, we are rural animals. Aranya Charinam Vadyaha, but then that area will be infested with Aranya Charina means forest dwellers. We live in the village. Village is our place, but Aranya Jantavaha will be there, na? Aranya Charinam Vadyaha, we are praise to the forest living animals. Tat kim, then kim tena bhavya pradeshana. So what is the use of that beautiful place? What is the use of my coming there? He said.
Shugalaha he mama ma evam vada mad bhuja panjara parirakshitaha sadeshaha tat na asti tannasti kasyachit aparasya tatra praveshaha param anenaiva vidhina rajaka kadarthitaha tatra तिस्रः रासभ्यो नाथाः सन्ति. I'll pause it.
Yeah. Then Shugala said, the jackal said, Mama, oh uncle, my vada, ma evam vada. Don't say like this. My mama, mad bhuja panjara parirakshitaha sa pradesha sadesha. That region is protected by my bhuja panjara. My bhuja is like a panjara. That means it is well protected by my bahubala. Bhuja panjara parirakshita sadesha tat. So na asti, there is no kasyachid aparasya tattva pravesha. There is no entry for any animal. You are scared of some ferocious animal. No, 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 no. That area is well protected by me, like a cage. It is like a cage under me. No other animal is allowed there. Na tatra asti kasyachid aparasya jantoho pravesha. That is jantu I am saying. Sattvasya pravesha. There is no entry for param. But anenaiva vidhina, but by this very method, vidhina rajaka karditaha, in the same way as you are troubled. Rajaka karditaha. Karditaha means troubled. Rajaka karditaha piditaha. Rajaka piditaha. Tatra, there also, similar to this you, there also harassed, tormented by the master Rajaka. Tisraha, three. Rasabhyaha. There are three female donkeys are there. You are a male donkey. There are three female donkeys. Tisraha, Rasabhyaha, Anataha. With no nata, with nobody to look after. They are unmarried. Santi, they are there. You read on.
ताश्च पुष्टिमापन्ना यौवनोत्कटायिनं माम् ऊचुः यदि त्वम् अस्माकं सत्यः मातुलः तदा किञ्चित् ग्रामान्तरं गत्वा अस्माद् योग्यं कञ्चित् पतिम् आनय तदर्थे त्वाम् अहं तत्र नयामि.
Then there are three donkeys without husbands, anataha, not sanataha. Here you can understand that. Sanataha, anataha. Opposite. Tascha, tahacha, taha gardabhyaha. Srinivas, rasabhyaha.
Yeah.
Rasabhi, rasabhyo, rasabhyaha. Rasabhi is ikaranta shabda, gardabhi also ikaranta. So, taha rasabhyascha, pushtimapanna, very well nourished. Pushtim apannaha yavvanotkataha, yavvanena utkataha, very proud of their youth, very well built and proud of their youth. Yavvanena utkataha garvitaha idam mamuchu. They told me this. Those three young, unmarried, well nourished donkeys, female donkeys, they told me, Mam uchuhu, Mam uktavatyah, yadi tvam asmakam satyaha matulaha. If you are our true matula, true mama, matula also means mama. Yadi tvam asmakam satyaha matulaha, if you are our true maternal uncle, tada, then kinchit gramantaram gatva, then go to some village, some other village. Asmad yogyam kamchit patimanaya. So go and get one suitable husband for us. Gramantaram gatva kanchit yogyam patimanaya. Tadarte, for that purpose only, tvamaham tatra nayami. That is the reason why I am asking you to come over there. Tvamaham tatra nayami.
अथ शृगालवचनानि श्रुत्वा कामपीडितांगः लम्बकर्णः तम् अवोचत् हे भद्र यदि एवं तदग्रे भव येन आगच्छामि अथवा साध्विदमुच्यते.
So once, in any story, Srinivas, we see Shrugalas being very clever. They are so clever that they make you believe and also cheat you to the bottom. Atha then, Shrugala vachanani shrutva, Shrugalasya vachanani shrutva, listening to the words of the jackal, Dhusara, Kama piditangaha. The moment Shrugala said, three young dames are there and they wanted me to get them a husband, suitable husband. Kama piditanga, his body was troubled by lust. He was desire took over him body. Lamba karnaha tam avochat. Then he immediately told the jackal, Bhadra, friend, yadi evam, if so, tadagre bhava. This is the same dialogue used in that Priyadarshana also. Priyadarshana says the same thing. Tadagre bhava. You, that means agre bhava means you be in the front, you lead me. Then you lead me. Yena agachami, so that I can follow you. Athava sadhu idam, or rightly this is said. Yes.
नामृतं न विषं किञ्चित् एकां मुक्त्वा नितम्बिनीं यस्याः सङ्गेन जीव्येत म्रियते च वियोगतः.
See, this is the effect of kama pida. Srinivas.
Yeah.
Kama piditanga, writer has given that description. Shugala vachanani shrutva rasavaha kama piditangaha abhavat. And under that spell of that kama, he says, na amrutam na visham kinchid. Neither there is any amruta nor any visha kinchit. Ekam muktva nitambinim, leaving except the nitambini. Nitambini literally means a lady having big buttocks. So a very Sungaramaya stri. There is nothing like amruta, neither anything like amruta nor visha, excepting muktva means excepting nitambinim, ekam nitambinim, excepting a very erotic woman. Yasyaha sangena, by whose association jiviyeta, it is one should live. A man should live not for amruta, not for visha, but for a nitambini, for a young damsel. Yasyaha sangena, one should live with her company. Mriyeta cha viyoga, and one should die if one is not with such a woman. Mriyeta cha viyogataha. Yasyaha viyogataha, nitambinyaha viyogataha, mriyeta, one should die. Now he says, one better should die if one is separated from nitambini, and one should live with nitambini. So come on, let us go, he said.
तथा च यासां नाम्नापि कामः स्यात् सङ्गमं दर्शनं विना तासां दृक्सङ्गमं प्राप्य यन्नद्रवति कौतुकम्.
And what happens when kama takes over, kama pida, kama takes over men, beautifully described. Yasam nitambininam, Srinivas, you take that.
Yes.
Yasam strinam. Yasam strinam namnapi kamaha syat. By such young women, lusty women, by very mention of the young and lusty women, there is kama syat. Kamaha is born. Sangamam darshanam vina, without even vina sangamam, vina darshanam. The very name of young and lusty women, there is kama born, without even without seeing them, without sangama means without the association. What to say? The idea is, when one gets excited by the mere mention of a young woman, even without seeing and without touching them, tasam druksangamam prapya. And what happens if such women, tadrushyaha nitambinyaha chintayantu, tadrushyaha nitambi tadrushi nitambi yadi druksangamam gacchati drishtipate agacchati. If such a women come into your purview of your vision, tasam druksangamam prapya, having got a glance of such people, what to say having seen them? in ordinary language, what to say having seen them directly. Yatra na dravati kautukam. If the heart does not melt, if the mind does not melt there, then that is a wonder. If a man's heart and heart does not melt on seeing such women, it is a really wonder. It's a matter of wonder. That means I'm reminded of one Subhashita here, Srinivas. Subhashitena Geetena Yuvatinam cha Leelaya. One worth quoting here. Subhashitena Geetena Yuvatinam cha Leelaya Manona Bhidyate Yasya Sa Yogi Atava Pashuhu. I will explain this in the next class.
Thanks. Namaskar.
Namaskar.